Russia has inaugurated a dedicated unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, command facility in Kamchatka, enhancing the Pacific Fleet's operational capabilities, according to reports from Izvestia and Kiev Post. This initiative underscores Moscow's strategic emphasis on safeguarding its northern and eastern maritime territories, including the Northern Sea Route and nuclear submarine installations, amid escalating regional tensions. The Kamchatka Center will oversee a range of reconnaissance and strike drones, initially focusing on the heavy Forpost and Inokhodets platforms. By centralizing control and integrating multiple UAV types under a single command, Russian forces can maintain continuous aerial monitoring over crucial waterways and rapidly respond to potential threats. The drones will operate from local airfields, extending coverage across both Arctic and Pacific maritime zones. The Forpost-RU, a Russian-modified variant of the Israeli Searcher-2, boasts an 8.5-meter wingspan, a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 450 kilograms, and endurance exceeding 15 hours. Equipped with radar, electro-optical sensors, and precision-guided weapons, it performs both surveillance and strike operations. The larger Inokhodets, Orion, carries up to 200 kilograms of payload, can remain airborne for 24 hours, and is capable of deploying guided missiles and light bombs while supporting advanced sensor suites, including radar and electronic intelligence. Both UAV types have already demonstrated operational effectiveness in Ukraine, performing reconnaissance and precision strikes. Compared to lighter drones in Russian service or imported models, these heavy UAVs provide a combination of extended endurance, versatile payload options, and offensive capability. Their integration into a centralized command structure improves situational awareness and coordination, capabilities also being pursued by regional competitors like Japan and the US through their own long-endurance systems. Positioning the center in Kamchatka offers strategic advantages, particularly in protecting the Pacific Fleet's Vylyachinsk submarine base and monitoring the Northern Sea Route and the Bering Strait. The move comes amid rising Arctic competition, highlighted by U.S. Ohio-class submarine deployments and expanded NATO operations, driving Moscow's urgency to secure these areas. It also addresses the logistical challenges of defending Russia's remote northern and eastern coastlines, where traditional manned operations are both costly and vulnerable. The Kamchatka UAV hub signals a broader evolution in Russian defense strategy toward integrated, networked unmanned operations in distant theaters. By combining long-duration flight capabilities with centralized command and real-time intelligence processing, Moscow aims to ensure continuous aerial coverage over critical maritime zones while enhancing rapid response potential. The new facility reinforces Russia's strategic posture across two of its most sensitive frontiers, the Arctic and the Pacific.